Alright, Assalamualaikum. How are you guys?
Salam, madam.
Alright, good. Okay, so uh another 1 minute kan. I think the rest will come later lah already record. Okay, so basically today is the day that you start your business lah. Okay, so you can actually put your products, what kind of products that you want to sell inside your Instagram. If let's say your group didn't actually open an Instagram yet, please open one. Okay, so today I'm not basically okay, today I'm not basically teaching anything. It's just that I want to explain some changes. I just got what you call it, directive instruction from the deputy dean to actually change, not change lah, that there is an option to actually do final exam or final assessment. So basically like last semester, I do final assessment to replace the final exam. So this semester also I'm going to replace final exam with final assessment. Okay, so that one um, I'm going to explain later. Okay, so what you need to do when it comes today Instagram, at least you need to have your Instagram name, your profile, the profile of the Instagram need to be done. Okay, all right, let me share the presentation. Okay, so basically you need to all right. So if you see here, let me open it. Okay. So basically, for today, at least you need to fill up this part lah. Your brand logo you must have, and then your what you call it, your business name, and also a little bit of profile. You need to edit your profile. Okay. So within this week, you can actually start posting what you call it, product information. Okay, what kind of things you want to sell inside your Instagram. Because this week, my team which is the Entrepreneurship Week, and Track Week, team start to promote your Instagram. Okay, Instagram, and we start to promote our page first lah. Okay, so basically this is our page. Okay, so basically for those who already connect with me, already sometimes not sometimes I already connect with you, some of you, not everyone, because some of your leaders give a little bit late when it comes to your business IG, but we will try to fill in this Entrep Week Instagram with your information, with your ads, the business advertisement that you need to give me on 14 kan, 14 November you need to give me a business advertisement 14 November to me, and our team will blast inside the Amtrak Week IG, and this IG will be promoted throughout anywhere through BBL Council. Okay, because BBL Council actually handle this I can say e-bazaar lah kan. So basically this is I just promote yesterday. So this is something that will help you to gain your customer. So if let's say you feel that I want to do a minimum, it's not really minimum lah. The Entrep Week team will help you guys to get your customer. So I will basically like maybe next week we start to blast, because I think this week you need to the all the leaders or the business of the student business need to, what you call it, to prepare their product information and all. Okay, any question with regards to that? No, all right. If you have any question, please interrupt me. Okay. Okay. So that's the Interact Week. So Interact Week will start on today until 13 December. So the Interact Week team will start promoting this Instagram, promoting your Instagram as well. Your information of Instagram will be inside this Interact Week Instagram as well. So we will promoting this Instagram. I'm actually currently trying to we call it preparing for a website, but website takes so much time to prepare. There's so many things I need to put in there, from current until the past Interact Week as well. Okay.
Madam,
Yes.
you said that Entrepreneurship Week is going to be from today until when?
It's going to be from today until 13 December. This one.
Oh, okay, so it's more like an entrepreneurship month.
It's like entrepreneurship month lah
I
for our
see.
class. Basically your class is very special lah, again.
I
Because
see.
we
Okay.
don't open to other people lah, because I only can control information from you guys.
I
Maybe
see. Okay.
inshallah next semester, if let's say we still do this, we are going to open to the other kuliah as well if they want lah. Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
cool. Thank you.
Okay. So basically, you're not doing alone. You have supporter, okay, from behind, which is the Interact Week. We do want your business to get customers, so we have a team to help you guys, especially maybe some lecturers will actually buy from you. Okay, some lecturers want to support your business, so please make your Instagram complete so that we can actually contact you. So basically in your profile of Instagram should be having some sort of the WhatsApp number, or maybe if you use a Shopee, so the Shopee link should be in there in the profile of your Instagram, so so that your customer can reach out to you. Okay. All right. So basically, okay. Next is carry mark and deadline. Because I changed the final exam. Final exam supposedly originally is 40%. So I changed to final assessment. Final assessment will be done individually. I will start giving the final assessment question on 15 December. On 15 December. Okay, so let me open. Sorry. Okay, I already shared with you in the WhatsApp group this one, but okay. And this one, and also this one. Okay, so I already share with you in the WhatsApp group with this one. Okay. So the two-page business idea has been done. Okay. Business advertisement. Okay, business advertisement. You will submit to me within this what you call this Saturday. This Saturday. So submit before that, so that we can blast your advertisement inside the Interact Week IG as well. Inshallah, if let's say the website is done, so I will put inside there as well. I'm also currently very busy on setting up the website. Okay, so basically, the BMC, inshallah, I will comment your BMC tomorrow. I will just comment by hand, okay? Handwriting. But if you have more question, you can actually come to the Gmeet tomorrow. I will open it, okay? I will open it and you can come if let's say you don't have any problem, so no need to come lah. Okay, you can send some representative to come if you want to ask more questions with regards to your BMC. Inshallah, on Wednesday morning, I will give back your comments in handwriting on your BMC. Okay, which part of the wrong things that you need to change, okay, and all that. Okay, so that's BMC. So the final one, if let's say you don't have any correction, so no need to send back, no need to submit. But if you have correction, so you submit back before 16th of November. So that's the final submission. So basically, even before this previously in the Entract way, also I do this. I will correct your BMC so that you will learn from it. Okay. We have group presentation. Before this, I say that you need to come into Gmeet and all that because I think it's so tedious doing that. There's so many complications and all that. So I decided for you to have a video recording of yourself. There are two presentations, which is the business pitch and also BMC. This one I'm going to explain later after I open the group assignment instruction. Okay, so business activity, this is just to actually inform you that starting today up to 13 December, we will have our business activity through Instagram. You can do it on Shopee or other platform as well. But your main platform is Instagram. Okay, Instagram business account link you need to submit on 14 December. Okay, let me check. You can check as well, huh? Okay. Thank you, Alisa. Very nice of you. Okay, do the summary. Okay, so basically,
Wait a second. You just said the business account link has to be submitted when?
14 December.
14. Okay.
After the business activity stop.
Okay, cool.
Okay, all right. And then on the 3rd January next year, you are going to submit your business plan and also Excel. The CAM also changes in the business plan and Excel. Before this, it's 15. I already changed to 20. Okay, so it's changed. And the peer evaluation, this has no carry mark, but it does affect your carry mark. Okay, will be done after all the assignment is done on the 4th July until 8th July next year. So the individual assignment still linking 5%, but the online quiz I increase a bit. Okay, increase a bit to 10%. Okay, this one I will open after the business activity done so that you can focus on your quiz. So basically, the online quiz will be open within within 2 weeks. Okay, but it's just a multiple choice question from the chapters that I recorded, and then you need to just online quiz lah for multiple choice. Okay, within certain minutes or something like that. Okay. And then the final assessment will be 30%. This one, the deadline is 15 January, but I will start giving the question on 15 December. Okay, so you will have 1 month to do your final assessment. Don't submit very what you call it, last minute. Because even though the final assessment is not much lah, I will do the same like final assessment like last semester. You will do individually BMC, you will do individually 1-page business plan. Okay, but these two need some time to think because it's quite tricky as well. Okay, I will give you a case later on to actually do your individual BMC and also individual 1-page business plan. So make sure that you really understand how the BMC works. Okay. All right. So the camps start to change. Group assignment will be 55%. Individual assignment and quiz will be 15%. And final assessment will be 30%. Originally, I want to do 2 quizzes, but I think no need lah. I'll just increase the online quiz to up to 10%, and I increase on the business plan for another 5%, so can cover up to 10%. Originally, I want to do another quiz, but no need lah. Only one quiz only. Okay. So basically, my plan is that once I will stop all the recording of chapters up to December, 15 December, and I will stop. So basically, hopefully there is nothing lah after that. So no need to come to class. Hopefully lah. We will stop our class very early. So work hard. You will be working hard on November and up to half of the December. Okay, all right. Any question on the camp changes and deadlines? Okay, so the deadline for the deadline for presentation has been changed. Before this 16, but I think there's too many things around here. BMC, business advertisement. If I put 16 here, you will be dead. So I change it to 30 November. So end of this month, you will submit to me your group presentation. Okay. Okay, so this is your group assignment details. So I think I already shared with you in the master group. So, and I already I will update this in the Untitled as well later on. Okay, BMC, we're done. Okay, Instagram business advertisement. Okay, this one you need to submit on within how many days? On this Saturday. So basically, what kind of business this advertisement that I kind of expect from you? Let me share with you what kind of. Where is it? Where is that thing? It's not here. Oh, this one. Okay. Okay, this is the kind of advertisement that I want from you guys to do lah. Just one only. Okay, it's a hard sell. It's a hard sell advertisement. It's not a soft sell. It's not motivational or testimony. No, it's a hard sell advertisement. So, number one thing that you need to have in your advertisement is your logo or branding. Your logo must be inside the advertisement, but it's just a small one. Okay, and you can put the date. If let's say you just want to do 1 month business, so you put lah from 9 December, or maybe you want to start your business from next week. So you put your the date starting next week until 13 December, for example. Okay. Promo 48 jam. Jam means this one in Malay. Hours. If you want to do a promotion, you can put there. Or if you want to do a package, you can put there. So you need to actually come up with some sort of highlight to attract the crowd. For example, sales, or maybe free gift, the headline. Okay, cheap or something like that lah. The highlight. This is the headline lah. So whatever headline you want to use is up to you. And then you must put the price as well. You must put the price. For example, this one 99 ringgit, 4 pieces plus free 1 piece. Okay, and then random tudung means scarf, and warna means colors. So you can actually put a little bit of your items, what we call it, details a little bit in your ads. Okay, so this is the name of the product. Okay, the background color should be do not make a background color of too much pattern. It's basically, when it comes to ads, it's just a plain background color. Okay, just a plain, so that your product can be seen and pop out from your ads. Okay. Clear scrub photo. Okay, you can use what is it? The flipping card. I don't know lah what's the website name. Couldn't remember. Okay, you can use that website to crop your to make the product of yours become transparent like this. Okay, then it's up to you lah to how to make it creative. It's up to you. Okay, so you can actually put, for example, additional things. For example, like the WhatsApp, or maybe WhatsApp number in there, or maybe some sort of Instagram. Follow us at Instagram here. Is up to you guys lah. But this is the basic things that I want you to put in your business advertisement for the hard sell part. This one I didn't share. You can see this video later on in the YouTube. Okay. Any question so far with regards to the advertisement? No, All right. Okay, next is this one done. So basically today from 9 November to 15 November, so this one you need to put in your calendar, at least one Instagram post, not stories, with regards to your business product or service information. So basically the advertisement that you send to me, this one, you can actually put this week inside your Instagram. But we will use your advertisement that you submit here into our Entrep Week Instagram account, okay, so that people can see in there. And please follow Entrep Week, okay, so that you can see your product in there. All right. Okay, group presentation video. You need to do 2 videos separately. Number 1 is business pitch. It's a 5%, 1 minute video only. So this business pitch, you need to introduce your name, your group members. Just say that, okay, our brand is, for example, chocolate delicious, for example, baker's dozen. Done, because it's just 1 minute. And my group member is this one, and then that's it. Okay, what we are selling is sweets, pastries. Okay, you can show inside your slide. Okay, as well. The business model that we use, please follow us on Instagram or website or Shopee if you have. Okay, and what kind of problems that you want to solve and the solution to the problem through your product. Okay, so I will give you an example. So basically, I did this in the Canva, but I do advise you to use this one. There's a technical problem a bit after this. Okay, so basically, you can do something like this. Care answer. This is just an idea lah. Okay, care answer is I am freelance apps, for example. This is the first page. Okay, so basically on this one, introduction, you already presented. Say that this is our product. You can put your product here if you want, or logo. Okay, and then your group member. So product and business platform, you can just combine. For example, number 2, number 3, you want to combine in one slide, also can. Okay, so the problem, for example, this one is the idea of application for freelancer. This is just an idea lah. Okay, the problem is like jobless, health problems, suffering to pay. So make something that the problem, what happened around you that makes you want to do your business, and the solutions through your application. For example, this one through your product. Okay, how this product can actually give a solution to the problems that you actually set in the in here lah. Okay, so that's the only thing when it comes to business pitch. It's just a 1 minute
Madam,
video. Yes.
for business pitch, is it like one of our group members will present, or all of us have to have our voice in there?
Okay. So the video you must record your slides and also the representative face. Okay. I think when it comes to PowerPoint, there is a function called, if you click on the, not design, where is the, okay, there is a function under design, under insert. Okay, let's go here under insert. There is a function of screen recording. Okay, and then not all PowerPoint can pop out a face. I think if you have a PowerPoint 365, I think most of you have PowerPoint 365, right? When you click on the screen recording, there is a pop-out on the face. So you just screen your recording, the whole recording like this. Okay. I think when it comes to Canva, there is no such. When it comes to this, I tried Canva before. There is a present I record here, but I cannot change to MP4. That's the problem, because I want MP4 because I want to put your business pitch video inside the Instagram. I want to put your video inside Entrepreneurship Instagram and also my YouTube. Okay, so basically like that lah. So there are so many free softwares as well to screen record and also to have the presenter view as well. For example, like the one that I'm using is Camtasia. There's so many other things, but PowerPoint also have. It's just that my PowerPoint doesn't have the function of let me example the function of, for example, if I click screen recording here, I do not have a function of presenter view because this is a PowerPoint, I don't know, version quite old. But if you have a 365, yes,
Madam, what about if we record from Zoom or Google?
Yes, you can as well. So,
okay.
Okay, so if let's say you can record it, for example, you do it in a Google Meet like this, and then you record using your PowerPoint that doesn't have a presenter view, also can, as long as you have your slides and your face.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for that idea as well. Okay, so basically,
wait, madam, we only need one person to present.
Yes,
because it's going to be 1 minute long. Okay, thank you.
Yes. So basically on BMC and also business page, only one representative also can be lah. Okay, so one representative to present. Okay, so basically you must make sure, I'm not sure about Canva, if let's say the Canva cannot record your face and Canva can record your face, but it cannot be changed to MP4. I don't put here MP4. Okay. So basically you need to change it into MP4 so that I can actually upload it any platform. I will edit this one on the MP4 thing. Okay. So you need to put your video inside your Google Drive and then share the link of that and make sure that the link, your setting of the link, make sure anyone with the link can actually see so that I can upload it. Okay. So BMC video presentation, BMC video presentation also quite the same like this. It's just that there is no such thing lah, introduction and all. For BMC video, you just present your BMC and there is no limit for time. There is no limit. Also, I need to edit this. There is no time limit for the BMC presentation. So you just present lah, whatever it is. Okay. Okay, and then you need to have a representative face as well. Okay, the one that I think the brother actually give the idea. You can actually open your Google Meet and then you present it. You present like this. You open your PowerPoint. You need to screen record. You click here, screen record. Okay, you click record and then you just go to your Gmeet and then you just record lah. Put in your PowerPoint. the video, and then you save as MP4. Okay, then you put it inside the Google Drive. That's how you do as well lah. Okay, but if you have a PowerPoint 365, no need to go open the Gmail because it also have that presenter view already. Okay. All right. What's more? Okay, so basically that's on the video presentation. And then your deadline for this video presentation will be on 30th November. Okay, so at the end of this month. So with regards to your presentation video, I will put inside the Instagram and IG, and the business page only will be appear inside the Entrepreneurship Week IG. And also this both video also will be appear in my own YouTube channel. And then the assessor I will elect from outside assessors. Okay, they are coming from industries and also outside lecturers. Okay, so they will assess you through these videos as well. Okay, the assessors will come from outside. So I will give them later on. I will give them Google form to do their rating and so on. Okay, but this are the I will give them BMC video presentation, this business pitch, 1 minute video to them, and also I will give them your everything that you already submit to me. I will give to the assessor to assess you. Okay. So basically, this 10% will be given by your assessor.
Madam, for the BMC, right? Only one person present or all the members must present?
Present only one. But if you want to take turn, it's up to you lah. If you are very creative, for example, you go and do Gmeet. Again, I think your Gmeet doesn't have the function of record, right? Like me. So you use PowerPoint, screen recording this one to actually do your Gmeet. And then if you want to do some sort of having togetherness when it comes to presentation, you can use Gmeet. Everyone comes in from your group, and then you present one by one. So you just screen record lah. One person screen record. So it's up to you how creative you want to do. Okay, if you want to do that video very nice, there is introduction music and whatever. It's up to you guys. Okay. It's just that I put the minimal requirement here lah. Later on I'm going to edit a bit on the MP4 file and also. Okay. Any questions so far? All right. So I think other of your classes also require you to do some sort of video, right? Not just this class, kan? I need to.
Madam, if we want, can we all of us can present the BMC?
Yes, we
together?
can.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to do it in the Gmeet, we can do it together lah. But if you want to take turn and then do a video editing, that's also okay if you are okay with the technology. So just bear in mind that this video will be seen throughout the world. Okay, you will be popular. I'm not going to put you in that place, being a hermit crab or something. No. So you are going to be popular through this class. All right. Okay. Any question so far? Before I go to the next. Okay, business ads done. Okay, SSM registration. Okay, for those who really wants to do SSM, okay, registration. I already have approval from SSM to actually do some talks, to do a talk on how to register your business. This is only applicable for those who have local members, okay, Malaysian local members inside their group. So basically, if let's say if you want to register your business to be a legal company, so if let's say you have a local, for example, at least one local members, you can actually use your members' name to actually register for free for 1 year. So in the LinkedIn, you can actually put under working experience. So if let's say you are not registered your company, or maybe you want to register at your country, I don't have any restriction at all. But in LinkedIn, there is not me to actually say no to put under working experience or maybe under project list, but the employer will ask you later on lah. So better not to lie. Okay, if you want to have some sort of working experience, so you better register your company. Okay, so in Malaysia we call it as the scheme. If you want to know, scheme one student apa benda tu? SSM tu. Okay, this is called under the scheme of one student, one business registration. Okay. So this one is, and then the top will actually, will actually give you the tutorial or the guideline on how to actually register only through the website. Okay, you just need to have some sort of evidence, for example, like your metric card, this one, your student card, and also student confirmation letter. This one is like the letter that the IUM give you when you want to come into the IUM. Something like that lah. I think in your student portal have this. I'm not sure. Okay. So basically, that's all. Do you have any question?
Yes.
Okay.
When is the talk going to be for the SSM registration?
Oh, sorry. Okay, so the SSM registration will be on 27 November. Will be on Friday, 10 to 11 a.m. Okay, so I actually asked them to actually do it on Friday because you don't have class on that day. So this is actually under Entrepreneurship Club IUM as well, because I'm the advisor as well. So they will actually do some sort of poster later on, and then there is a registration link because we do it on the Microsoft team, because SSM asked to do in Microsoft team. So the what you call it, the process of having you inside it is quite complicated. You can actually use other emails, not just using the @live@ium.edu email. Okay, you can use Gmail, but it's just on our part lah, on the Entrepreneurship Club part, to actually register you in and all that. So the link and the poster I will give you later when the Entrepreneurship Club done with that poster. So you need to have some sort of registration in order to actually attend that what you call it, that talk. Okay. So inside there you can actually ask the speaker as well on how to register your business, okay, under that scheme. Don't register your business like normally. You need to register under this scheme because this scheme only give you the free one. Okay, and then you can ask them how to, for example, close the business, because before this I know that you can also close the business after you don't want to open your business anymore through online as well. So you can just close it. Okay, and then you can ask them what kind of issue, what kind of legalities that you are bad when you open a legal business and all that. Okay, but you don't have to worry because there are so many students actually open their business through this scheme. So there's not much problem lah. Okay, so any other questions? So I think that's all. Okay,
Madam,
yeah.
when presenting the business pitch, we need only one representative, right?
Yeah.
When we want to introduce our members, we need to put their pictures as well, or we can just introduce them verbally.
Okay, you can introduce them verbally. It's okay. If you want to put their face, also can. It's up to you lah. But as long as you just say their name, for me that's okay lah. That's the minimal part.
All right, thank
Okay.
you, madam.
All right. Any other question before I go to final assessment? Okay. No, eh? So I go to final assessment. Okay, the final assessment is the idea of BMC. So basically in your group, you are doing BMC for your group, but when it comes to final assessment, it's different. You are doing individually. Let me open. Where is it? This one. Ni. So final assessment you will be doing in Excel. I will give you the what you call it, the example lah, like last semester. So maybe you can start even now lah. Okay, so basically you have a I will edit this one because this one is for last semester. Okay, so this is only on business idea generation only. This is not real, but you can actually do it on business idea generation. So when it comes to idea, there are so many ideas, creative ideas that you can do. Okay, so basically last semester I focused on industry that had been severely affected by COVID-19, but on this time around there will be a different case. So this is a case for last semester. Inshallah, I will basically my original idea is to include B40. Okay, B40 means what's the meaning of B40? If you don't know lah, B40.
Madam,
Yeah.
is this below 4,000 or something?
Okay. So B40, if you don't know, this is what you call it, Malaysian part lah, eh. Okay. B40 means this one is less than, their salary per month is less than 5,000, eh. 4,849. So that is my original idea for this final assessment. So you can start thinking about a business that can help B40 on the COVID-19 situation, still COVID-19, but there will be a big change when it comes to the focus. So I'm focusing on B40. So you need to come up with a business that focusing on helping B40 that is suitable, a business that is suitable for B40. So you cannot actually give a business idea that is too bombastic. You know what I mean? It's a small scale business idea generation. So before this, from last semester, they give some sort of application, mobile apps application. Mobile apps actually require a cost at least for 200,000 for an app like Grab or maybe Foodpanda. So that one is not, if you can think about logically, you cannot say that it's actually a good business idea for B40 because B40 doesn't have that much money. So you need to come up with a business idea that suit with the B40 on the COVID-19 situation. Okay, so basically this one have one-page business plan, if you see here. Okay, so you need to come up with a company and a brand name individually. This is not a group anymore. This one-page business plan is 10%. I'm going to explain it detail later lah, on inshallah on December. But you can start thinking about the idea on what you want to do. Okay, or maybe in the next class you want to ask me whether the idea is okay or not. Okay, so what will you do and why, how, customer problem, the solution, your target market, industry chosen, and you have a market segmentation, market positioning, competitive advantage, income stream, price, competitors, and also how sustainable your business is in the long run. Okay, so BMC, you also need to do for this business idea generation for this one. So key partnership like usual, and this one is 10%. One page business plan is 10%. And the other one, 10% is the explanation of your BMC, because BMC is very detailed. There's no explanation on the BMC. So the explanation will go into here. So your explanation will give you another 10%. So that's the only thing for your final assessment. It seems like not that hard, but you will get confused. Okay, and there is a synchronization between, meaning that if you are if the flow between your business plan and also BMC is not there, for example, you put here what will you do. You will have supplier A to supply your things, for example your product A, but you're not putting your supplier A in key partnership. So there is no synchronization between your business plan and also BMC. Also, you will have a deduction of marks. So this one you need to be very careful lah. Even though it's quite easy, and okay. Inshallah, I will give this and not on 15 December lah. I will give a little bit early, okay, for your final assessment. This one is simple. It's a simple project, but it is quite hard. You must really understand what is BMC is, where to put and whatsoever. Okay. And the number one when it comes to the marks on this final assessment is creativity. How unique your business idea is. Okay, the more unique you give to the business idea, we will get more marks. That's the hardest part when it comes to this final assessment. Okay, any questions so far?
Yes. Okay, so that means the one-page business plan is 10%, the BMC is 10%, the explanation of the BMC is 10%.
So that's it.
So is the whole final assessment, is it worth 30%?
Yes, it's worth 30%.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's the exact. There is no, like, for example, if your final exam is 100% and then we will calculate to 40%, right? But when it comes to this one, there is no such thing. That 10% is that 10%. Okay, so it's actually quite easy to actually score in my class, because if your business idea when it comes to your case, the final assessment is good enough, it's logic enough, so I will give you marks very, very easy lah. If you understand the BMC, okay, whatsoever, I will give you the BMC. But when it comes to scoring A's in my class, the number one problem to score in my class is the peer evaluation. I say to you lah, very directly, the peer evaluation is the number one problem to score A in my class. But last semester, my students get 80%. 80% of my students get A's from my class, A and A minus. So it's not that hard to get A's, but try to show your hard work inside your business group business activities. All right. So any other question? I think that's all, All right. So you please submit your business ads on 14 November. If you want to submit early, you can as well. It's just one advertisement only. So submit early so that we can actually promote early on your on your business IG. Okay. All right. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. You can leave if you want to have a face-to-face, not face-to-face lah. I mean, if you want to have one-to-one question with me, you can actually stay. I will leave the last. All right. So thank you.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Alright.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, madam.
Salam.
Thank you, madam. Have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
All right.
Yeah.